First, we have to get our count. Then we need to get the most relevant words, and then we want to use them the right amount of times. If you get these three pieces right, you can hit page one. You could hit page one with junk on the page. It's math. I want to showcase how I went out, scraped the entities, and utilized them in order to rank a page or help rank a page. I'll walk you through the process, walk you through the mindset, and how you can utilize entities inside of your H tags and inside of your pages in order to get a helpful boost in Google search. And adding entities to your pages is not a new concept. However, understanding three key elements, and these are the elements I want to point out to you. All right, so let's go over here. Engine optimization tools.com. I'm not sponsored. This isn't an affiliate. This is my tool. It's not even available yet. I just want to show you how we're counting. You can do this for yourself for free. You can get free credits from TextRaiser complimentary. I think they give you 200 a day. Relevance equals rank, in my opinion, right? I've coined this myself. Relevance equals rank. What I want to point out to you is this here. So check this out. So I went out here, GSA, search engine ranker list, right? I thought it would have a past history, but it doesn't. In any case, here, I'll showcase this to you too. This is what I was utilizing in order to determine which words I wanted to use. All right. And here, we'll go through this together. So what we'll do is we're going to put in GSA search engine ranker list, and we're going to pop it out. All right. So note GSA SER lists. Here's our head term we wanted to hit page one for. So I want to point this out to you. All right. When you take a look at this page, this is the main optimization here. The main cloud is going to be for, these are the words that are utilized the most. But here's what I want to point out to you. All right, check this out. So here, we're going to do SER, verified lists. We'll do GSA. It says forum, but I don't recall. So what we're going to do is we're going to go take a look at these top performers ranking for GSA search engine ranker lists. All right. What it's going to do is it's going to go out there and scrape the entities from the page. It'll do an analyzation, and here's the key metrics that I want to point out. All right. Top performing websites, regardless of your niche, all right, are always going to have the most diverse amounts of entities being utilized inside the page. Diversity of entity. How many unique entities are being used on the page? Key. Crucial. Like, I can't even stress to you enough how important this is. The usage of unique entities inside of your page will help your pages rank higher. So this first count here is going to give you diversity of entities. All right? Key. The next piece that I want to point out is going to be which words, which entities, people, places, things, which entities are actually being utilized. Here's your list. The next element that we want to look at is, well, out of the ones that are being utilized, which ones are the most relevant? So if we're doing a search in order to find entities to help optimize our page, what do we want to do? Well, we want to figure out who on the first page, out of the winners, what is our range of diversity, entity diversity? How many different entities should we have on our page? Check. We have a count. The next element that we want to figure out is, well, which specific entities, which words are being utilized? Which words specifically are being utilized? Check. Then out of those words, which words are going to be most relevant? Okay, check. Diversity, the actual words, which ones are most relevant? And then the next order of business is, well, how many times are they utilizing these entities? First, we have to get our count. Then we need to get the most relevant words, and then we want to use them the right amount of times. If you get these three pieces right, you can hit page one. You could hit page one with junk on the page. It's math. Now, obviously, my count must not be right? Obviously, because I only hit number 6. The count's off. I didn't build backlinks. I built some internal links. But what I'm getting at is if I sat and I tweaked the page just a little bit more, not just with entities, but overall keyword usage, density, heading tags, heading optimization, there's other pieces. But if I were to work this page again, I could probably get it into the top 3. In any case, let's look down this list here and you can see there's clear entities here. Search engine optimization is a very relevant term for GSA SER list. Gee, who would have thought? GSA search engine ranker. Who would have thought that search engine would have been a very important or relevant term? I want to point this out. Visa, backlink, PayPal, credit card, online advertising. Here, let's come over to the page. Ready? Control F. Visa, MasterCard, PayPal. Oh, did he add debit card to the page, right? And I'm not going to go through each and every one of these, but what I wanted to walk you through was what we are looking at. That's the most crucial thing. Number 1 is diversity. Number 2, which words, which entities are we utilizing? 3, what words / entities are most relevant? Okay. I probably spelled it wrong. Who cares? This isn't a grammar class. This is an SEO class. Okay. 1 is diversity. 2 is what words or entities are actually going to be utilized. Out of those words, which ones are most relevant? After you have the most relevant terms, the very next thing that we want to know is how many times are they being used? Okay. Diversity count. What are the words? What are most relevant? And how many times do I have to get them on the page? And then can I mix and match, right? Like, okay, this person has 97 unique entities on the page, right? Well, but they've only said these unique entity word usages. But they've only said these words 102 times. If I just go out there and just get CAPTCHA, right? One of the most relevant terms to GSA search engine ranker to rank for this. If I just go use that the 100 times, will that over exceed the usage or the diversity? The answer is no. But these are the type of things that I'm working through. All right. So I hope this has been helpful. I also hope that this has been helpful not only for, in any case, my name is Chris Palmer with chrispalmer.org. I hope that this entity SEO video has been helpful for you on how to use the tool and also how to use entities in order to help your pages rank higher. If you have any questions, you can feel free to go ahead and ask them in the section below. Let's go see if you have anything right now. If not, I am out of here. It's Saturday. I have to help a few people.